Welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to turn on Hey Siri on iPhone. I want to show you how to activate Hey Siri on iPhone. To turn on the Hey Siri on iPhone, or to turn on your Siri on iPhone, this is what you have to do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to open up the settings app on your iPhone. So let's open up the settings app now. So once you open up the settings app on your iPhone, what I want you to do next is this. I want you to scroll down and look for where we have Siri. So you can see we have Siri at the middle here. I want you to tap on that Siri. So let's tap on Siri. So once you tap on Siri, it will bring up this page for you. On this page, as you can see, the first thing written here, it says Talk to Siri is turned off. So I want you to tap on that Talk to Siri. So once you tap on that Talk to Siri, it will bring up another page for you. On this page, you can see our Siri is actually turned off. To turn on or activate the Siri for this iPhone, you should not tap on any of the two above. It's either you tap on Hey Siri or you tap on Siri or Hey Siri. Once you tap on Siri or Hey Siri, it will ask you to confirm it below. Just want to tap on Enable Siri. Once you tap on Enable Siri, it will ask you to set up Siri and Hey Siri. Tap on Continue.